everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back. So I'm on today with an incoming swap project share. This is a Halloween swap. It was called, I think the Spooky School Swap is what it was called. It was hosted by Brooke, who is B Northway Designs, and I'll have her information listed down below. I just received my box, I think it was Friday. So I finally had some quiet time. So I thought I'd hop on real quick and share the beautiful creations that I received from my partner. So I took it out of the box, but I didn't open the backpack. But this is what I received. And look at how beautiful this is. Look at all that gold stitching, the zigzag stitching that my partner did. And if you look, it is Harry Potter themed, which is awesome. Our family, we love Harry Potter, especially my son. He's a diehard Harry Potter fan. And so he's going to love when I show him this. I haven't showed it to him yet because I didn't do the video or I didn't look inside to see what's inside. But once I finish this video, I'm going to go ahead and share this with him and he's just going to lose his mind. But anyway, so you see here, she used, I guess this is like a paper collection. I haven't seen it. Or maybe I have. Maybe this is Echo Park. Maybe. I'm not sure. But I guess this is ephemera from the collection. She put a cute rosette here. She layered it with some banners or some flags in the back. I love that. And look at that pocket. Isn't that cute? With the star. And she stitched all around the star too. Like everywhere. Each panel has stitching. It's amazing. So my partner is Paper Crafts by Glory. That's her Instagram and YouTube. So thank you so much, Glory. I'm so excited that I received your swap. So let me go ahead and share what you created. So let me open up the backpack. So she used a magnetic closure. Love that. And there's all the goodies. So let's dive right in to see what I received. So I don't remember the requirements, guys. Sorry. This is one of the first Halloween swaps that I entered and I finished the project and I sent it in. So it's been a while, but we'll just go over everything, what's in here. So here, look at, it's a 3D shimmers. It's a lighted embellishment. Oh, that is so cute. So it lights up. So push here. What if it needs like a battery or something? Yeah, it's not working right now, but that's okay. I'll figure it out. That is so cute. And it says Fright Night. I love that. So I have that. And then let's see. Oh, how cute. She made a mini clipboard. I made a mini clipboard too. So that's so cute. And look at her dangle. Look at her charm. All her charms on here. Isn't that pretty? I love it. And then on the clipboard, let's see here. She put some, let's see here. She made this, which is an altered mini paper clip. Look at that. That is so cute. And she put it on where the paper clip, she used thread there. She made like a loop to hold it in place. Girl, that took some time. And she also sewed around the back piece here. That is so cute. And next, let me see. I think this is kind of stuck on here. Just pull this off nicely. So this here, so sticky. Let me just open it up. This looks like it's an embellishment here. And it is. It looks like it could be like an ATC card. It looks like the size anyway. And it says here, waiting for my letter. And it says witch or wizard with the glasses. Oh, and it has all her information here. So I won't show that. But yeah, so this is her ATC card. That is so cute. So I'll put this on the side. I just don't want to mess anything up. So let me just open these like so. Oh, this one actually split on the side here. And here she used, oh, this is like the pocket letter sleeve. And she used that to house her sequence mix. Look at that. That is so cute. I love the colors. That is awesome. Okay, so that was what was clipped to the clipboard here, the cute mini clipboard. And then, let's see, this here. Oh, look at that. It's Harry Potter butterbeer bar. So it's milk chocolate with a creamy center, and it's Harry Potter. That is so cool. I love that. Thank you so much. So that's awesome. Everything is all perfectly, like, it's all matches all the theme. And here's a pen, and it says Gryffindor. You can see that. That is so neat. Thank you. And this here, oh wow, look at that. Look at the witch hat. So let me, sorry for the crinkling. I'll try to take it out real quick. So here she made, wow, look at that. These are the mini like composition books. And she put 3 of them together. She put some ephemera pieces in here. Oh, look at that. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness. I love when I get things like this because I don't make these. And so I have one in a Halloween theme that I received from it was like I don't know, it was like an entry to my giveaway like a few years ago, at least 5 years ago. And I've kept it and I haven't used it because I just love when I receive, you know, things that I cannot make or I don't make. I wouldn't say I couldn't, I just haven't tried. But this is so cute. Look at that. Here she has a little folder so I can put, you know, little journaling cards or stickers. Isn't that so cute? I love this so much. And then you put that there. That is so cute. I love it. So I have that. Then this here. And this looks like, let me see. Oh, this is cute. I have this bag too. It's so cute. I can't find mine though. I purchased it and I don't know where I put it. That's why I didn't use it in any of my swaps. Like, I don't know. I have to reorganize everything. It's just a mess. And here's some like foam stickers, chipboard pieces, a felt bat. Look at how cute. I love it. It's amazing. Thank you so much. All this will be put to good use next year. I've already put away all my Halloween crafts. So this will go in the bin with, I keep everything people have made me or sent me, I keep it in a bin nice and neat because yeah, I hoard. I don't want to use anything. And here is a crayon box. It says Believe in the Magic. And then you have the books. Isn't that cute? And in here, oh my gosh, look at that. So there's a bunch of charms in here. A lot of charms. Oh, and like a focal bead here to make a pen. Or you can use it on to make a beaded keychain or anything beaded actually. That is so cute. It says stay spooky. Oops. And look at all this. You have this bat. Look at that. This cat with a skeleton. Oh, look at how cute. Another jack-o'-lantern. Here's a candy corn. A skull hand. A witch hat. And these are just some different skeletons here. You have a haunted house. Some kind of symbol. Another cat with a pumpkin, a, a gummy bear skeleton. Oh, I have these. I love these. A bone, a bead, a polymer clay bead, another bat, another cat. This is a ghost, cute ghosty. Another bat with a crystal ball, and another ghosty, and another polymer clay bead, and another bead. Wow, so many goodies. Thank you so much. I am definitely going to put these to good use next year. Even though I hoard and I say I'm going to use it and I probably won't, but I'm trying to be better and use my stash instead of buying things all the time. And I have so many beautiful things that people, have given me in swaps. So next year I'm going to try something different and do like a no buy October or something and just try to use what I have. We'll see how that goes. And let's see here. Yeah, so that was it. So this was my swap. Again, thank you so much, Glory. I love everything. Everything is amazing. Beautiful, beautiful, talented crafter. So again, I'll leave all her information below. Thank you all for stopping by. Hope you all have a blessed day. Bye.